Hello students, welcome to the 12th lab lecture of programming in C for BCA first semester as per the syllabus of IK Punjab Technical University Jalandhar. This one is the program I am going to discuss today. Write a program to find volume of a cube using side as input from the user. Before the start of the program, we should know about cube. Now, what is the meaning of cube? Cube is a three-dimensional diagram, or you can say box, in which length, breadth and height are equal. This diagram is known as cube. And what about the volume of the cube? When all the sides are equal, let suppose I am saying n as a side of the cube, then each side is equal to n. Now what about volume of the cube? It's n multiply n multiply n, means n cube. These are the contents we should know before proceeding with the program. Now what about the program? What are the necessary header files required? Include stdio.h for printf and scanf. Second is conio.h. Basically, this header file is used for clear screen and getch purposes. And the third one that is required in this program is math.h. Now why math.h? Because I have to calculate cube of n. I will apply one math function, that is power function, inside the program. That's why I declared math.h. Otherwise, if you have to write n multiply n multiply n, there is no need to use math.h. Void main, then what are the necessary variables required? You can declare the variable in decimal. One is side and second is volume. Two variables are required. Now printf, enter the side of the cube. First of all, we have to enter the side of the cube from the user side. After that, calculation of volume should be there. Scanf, %f, then ampersand side. In this way, you can enter the data from user side. Now, what about the volume? Volume can be calculated in two ways in this program. Side side multiply side multiply side. Then printf volume of the cube is equal to percentage f, then simply print VOL, that is volume. Now execute the program. Suppose I am entering 12.3. I can print the volume of the cube 1860.867188, whatever the value is there. And another thing related to this one is math.h. Now what about math.h? If I have to apply this header file, then I can write volume is equal to power function. Then inside two variables are required. One is side and second is the power. One is base and second is exponent. Now execute the program. Compile and run. Suppose I am writing 12.5. It means I can print the data accordingly. Now the difference between both the contents, suppose I have to calculate some more power. Suppose power 10 is required, power 20 is required, then we can implement power function. If simple content is required, multiplication of 2 or up to 3, then you can simply use volume is equal to side multiply side multiply side. If some more power is required, then you can implement this one. For that, we have to implement math.h as header file. Now one more thing you can do, you can write here 0.3f. It means you can display the data up to 3 point of a decimal. Now execute again the program. Suppose I am writing 34.67, you can control the data. Now the data is in controlled manner 41673.641, that is up to 3 point of a decimal. Hope you understand the content of this program. Write a program to find volume of the cube using side as input from the user. You can enter the side from the user end, then you can calculate the volume. And before proceeding with the volume, you should know about the formula. This one is the formula. In the next video, I will discuss about the unformatted input functions of C language. Thanks for watching my video.